Shades Crazy Cash.
I was not a very patient and disciplined. I didn't have that much patience and discipline. My father used to tell me that when you have a child, the first thing that you need is patience and discipline. So right now, I mean, I had a little bit patience, but right now, I have patience in all my areas in my life. Like basically, when I go to the gym, I go to the gym 3 times. I have a trainer who is teaching me squats, the bench press, the deadlift, the 4 major lifts. So everything in life, when you are always constantly telling about this importance of this patience, it's just like you cannot win in this world without any patience. Even in my work, I'm a healthcare person, I'm a respiratory therapist. Even with patience, discipline, patience, discipline, and patience will love you for that. I mean, you taught me that. It's something that most human beings don't have it, and you always say this, that is our greatest edge in the market and in our life, right?
That is, yes, that is true. I always tell people, patience is the edge. That is, people don't have that these days. They want instant gratification, everything right now, 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 now. The people who survive this are the people who are either developing the patience now because they understand,
Right.
okay, this is what it takes, or they already had the patience. And that's just, yeah.
Mm, wow, I'm so happy. This is something very boring, but I got to tell you that as soon as I saw your first video, how I saw your video, because I was looking for a video, searching for a video on SoundHound, and I encountered on one of your video, like 2 years ago, maybe 1.5 years ago. I sense that you are talking so genuine, and there is some connection I met, and immediately I subscribed, and immediately I joined the Discord. I'm a proud Discord member. I'm happy, I'm learning. I'm in all my areas of my life, even health. I gotta tell you a really good thank you. This is not fluffing. I hate fluffing in life. I don't fluff to anybody, but this is something very invaluable that I learned from you, Shades. And there is a saying that God never comes and give you gifts. God always chooses people. I mean, I think that is exactly what happened in my case. I had to tell you that truth.
Hey, man, I appreciate it, and it's also, don't forget to pat yourself on the back. You had to work for it too. You put in the work too. It's not just all me. You also had to, because I mean, there's other people who hear the same things you do, but they don't follow through, right? Or they fall apart like they did this week. So you got to pat yourself on the back too. It's always easy, right, to look back in hindsight. Yeah, it was really easy, Shades. All this patience and discipline, but you really had to work for it to get there. So. That's thank you for the kind words, and keep it up, man.
Shades, this Discord call was absolutely great because I was able to talk to you discuss about whatever I learned and clear the doubts and the questions that I have. By the way, I'm so thankful to you mainly because right now, the strategies that you taught me, including the WMA, all these strategies are good, great, but in all of your videos, you always mention about the psychology, which is patience and discipline. I think that is also extremely important. As you know that I made decent money, good money. I had to say that, very good money with the APLD, and right now I have a great position in SoundHound. And with calls also, and I'm learning, and I really appreciate whatever you are teaching from your channel. And I think patience and discipline is something extremely important, and I'm glad that you are stressing all the time in many of your videos. And Shades, really appreciate all the help that you are providing and the value that you are giving through your Discord, and I'm a proud Discord member. Okay, thank you, Shades.